One means of escape from the hot side is the automobile. Number one nighttime amusement is the motion picture. More than 50 million U.S. citizens, regular moviegoers, pay into the nation's box office nearly $2 billion a year. Sports are another favorite attraction. Gregarious and uproarious and agreeably sedentary for spectators, they are a welcome refuge to the millions of Americans who would rather be out with crowds of their fellows than cooped up at home. More and more, sports in which amateurs can exhibit their prowess have become a social activity for the whole family. And when the last game is over, the last movie out, the American citizen has a final alternative to home in another currently flourishing.
And you can pick the music, star1069fm.com from TMC Collision Center. It's Justin Bieber.
The Black Lives Matter mural that was painted on Indiana Avenue in downtown Indy was defaced.
Interest, they know about our health. All of this data is being collected, and it's widely available on the internet. And there are companies called data brokers that purchase it and collect it. Then they sell.
See, and maybe the SEC would be in there. Maybe you could do something.